Hello, my name is Dudley. I am a digital film production graduate with specialism in cinematography, and this year I'll be running the summer school film workshop. The main purpose of this workshop is storytelling, and in doing so, you will develop your technical skills as well. It will be split across 5 weeks, and you'll be given a task for each week. Here are your tasks. To begin, you will start with research and development. In week 2, you will start pre-production. This is where you look at your shot list as well as your storyboards. Week 3, you will then begin production. This is where you start filming. And in our 4th week, we will commence post-production. This is where you look at your rushes and you start to put together a cut from everything you filmed. And finally, reflective analysis. Here, we will look over the past few weeks, see what you've learned, see what you've gained, and see what you can take with you into the future. In addition to this, I'll show you how to present your work in a showreel. Also, don't forget to look at all the other courses we'll be running during the summer. We hope to see you soon.